I just got my Apple Watch Series 6 today, and it is the 44 millimeter with the GPS and cellular. And I'm going to open it and try it on because I have really tiny wrists, like 5.5 inches around. So I'm going to take my fancy scissors and I'm going to attempt to open this without any problems, hopefully, but with me doing it and me being as dingy and as clumsy as I am, it could take a while, so just bear with me. Right now, I currently have the Series 3, the 42 millimeter Series 3. And since my eyesight is so bad, I thought if I went with the 44, it might help me some. All right, so I've never seen a box like this. Ah, that's how. Well, my goodness. Okay. And I got one with the sands, the pink sand. That's the one I got, the band. And this is what the other box looks like. God, I wish I'd stop hitting the damn camera stand. All right. So here it is, right here. And I got the gold. Let's see how we open this. I guess right here. Well, probably not. I probably did that wrong. And yes, I am educated. Okay, so I am going to see if my 42 millimeter band actually fits this watch. This is how, I'll show you how it looks, the 42 looks on my wrist, and then I'll show you the 44. But this is how the 42 looks on my wrist. Never mind the nice little liver spots I'm getting on up there with age. Okay, so let me pull this out. I always have a hard time pulling these out too. All right, yay. All right, I am going to see if this band fits. Let me get the other one on. And it looks like the band does fit. The 42 millimeter actually fits the 44. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on, but I do have to put it on the very last hole. Let me get that shoved on in there. Okay, and that's how the 44 millimeter looks on my tiny little wrist. So there you have it. That's how it looks.